We've been in Hong Kong for a while, and I'm starting to feel like my shoes look tired, worn out, and in major need of a clean. Thankfully, there's a store really close to our hotel that sells Rejuvenator. We're going there ASAP because these things need a clean. I also need a clean, but I'm gonna use a human shower, not Rejuvenator. The store's on the 16th floor of a mall, which I still can't get over in my head that there's 16 floors of a shopping mall, but it is amazing. I want to buy everything in here. I want these, I really want these, and these are my size too. I want these, I want these, I really want these, and I want that plate. I mean, yeah, it's a plate. Ooh, I wonder if they have my size in these. They don't. These I also really want. I love these. This store is seriously so cool though. All these shoes in the case here, I own a lot of them, and the ones that I don't own, I really want. They have all the Off-Whites, they have all the Pharrells, they have like every Jordan 1 in the books, tons of them that I don't have. Wow. I'm a little bit jealous, and I sort of want to spend a lot of money, but we're not here for that. We're here for one thing. I need to clean my shoes. We have literally just been told we're allowed to take whatever we want. I will take this, and just so my shoes don't get dirty again, I will take this. Okay, you have to choose one pair of shoes from this case to take home and wear. You don't have to pay for them, but you have to take them and wear them. Which ones are they? The big bling ring. Oh, really?
Give me that jewelry. I'm just gonna take that off the shoe and put it on my finger. Let's go.
This pair right here, the 28s in this gaudy camel colorway, I was legitimately distraught that I couldn't buy those in high school. Like, I wanted those so bad. So big shout out to Flight 23 for having us and hooking us up with all of this Rejuvenator, and also shout out to Rejuvenator for actually sponsoring this video. I'm partnering with them as part of this whole Hong Kong and Singapore trip, and they were nice enough to hook me up with all of this. I'm gonna need this because I'm wearing one pair of sneakers the entire trip I am here, these Reebok Workout Low Casinas, and I've been loving them. They're super comfortable. They're super durable, but they're white and they've got really dirty. So we're gonna clean them up really quick. If you guys wanna buy any of this, link in the description. Today, we're using this. I really need to clean these. Towel, brush, Rejuvenator soap, wet brush, and apply a small amount of Rejuvenator, and scrub. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, they're sponsoring the video, but that worked really good. Shoes are clean, which is great. I still haven't had a shower, which is less great. I wanted to swing by the biggest sneaker store in Hong Kong and what might possibly be the biggest sneaker store in all of Asia. It's called Trendy. Is it here? Is this it? Yeah. All right, let's go. The entire basement of this building is one giant hypebeast streetwear store. Like, it's huge. It's sectioned off into different people's areas. They all have hype stuff. There's shoes, there's clothes, there's Supreme. This is dope. Not gonna lie, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. There's just shoes and Off-White and Supreme and everything. I'm just repeating myself at this point. But there's so many stores and they all look cooler than the last one, all in one big giant sneaker store. Josh, would you ever wear a leopard fur Supreme backpack?
No, I wouldn't.
But it's Supreme.
You're right. I mean, yes, of course I would. Hype beast, baby.
I mean, this is really cool. Just basically every hype shoe you could think of. These, I really want these. I tried to get those when they were released on Nike.ca, and I struck out so hard, but I don't think they resell for that much. Yeezys, they have Converse, they have GR, Adidas, they have hyped up Jordan 1s, they have Off-White. They actually have a pretty nice mix of stuff in here. I'm not buying anything because I don't have room in my suitcase. This place is called Trendy Zone though. You guys should definitely come check it out.
Best channel in YouTube.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Second
Thank
best.
you. In Hong Kong, you're gonna see a lot of streets that look like this. It takes literally 8.5 years to walk down one city block.
This is pure madness.
I think we've discovered a detour. They have these sketchy looking alleyways everywhere. We're going down the sketchy looking alleyway. This is decidedly quicker, although decidedly scarier.
But it looks really cool.
You'd get attacked and mugged in one of these alleys.
Look up already. Look what you're missing out. It's cool over here, alright?
Definitely take the back alleys. They are way quicker. What we're gonna do now is just hop on the subway and go to a random stop to explore the city. All right, we are going to go from here to, I don't know, let's get off around here. I still can't get over how cramped the trains are in this city. It's crazy. We have ended up by the Hong Kong docks in Kowloon, and this is weird. There is no one here. I have not been able to say that in 8 or 9 days. There is no one here. There is a mangy feral dog eating. I'm a little bit terrified that it's going to attack us right now. Good dog. Good dog. Good boy. Don't kill us, please. Good boy. Okay, run, run, run. The amount of I can stick my arms out and stretch, Josh. This is amazing. We've actually been spending a lot of our week exploring random parts of the city on and off of camera, and you're gonna be seeing a lot more of that throughout the next few days. We're gonna be hitting up some of the biggest and coolest places to see in all of Asia that maybe necessarily don't have to do with sneaker videos, but trust me, are freaking awesome. So if you see something that's maybe not the typical content and you're not used to clicking on it, freaking click on that.
And experience new stuff, love it, like just say yes. That's what we've been doing all week. We've been going to places we've never seen before, and it's been working out.
I want to bring you guys the best content possible, and sometimes that's not always shopping. My favorite way to explore the city is just hop on the train and get off at a random stop. I've said this many times in New York before, and Hong Kong is proving to be exactly the same. You can read about a city and you can look at maps of the city, but the only way I get comfortable with feeling like I know my way around the city at all is by actually going around the city, and this is a really cool place. That being said, it is starting to get really, really dark, and I'm not sure we're actually supposed to be around here.
It's a weird area.
Really
it's
sketchy.
It's the first kind of time I've felt uncomfortable.
I think we should probably start to head back now. Oh, he's back. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, we're good. Thank you, I'm going. Long day. I know we didn't catch most of it on camera, but the stuff we did I think was very, very fun. Once again, shout out to Resjuvenator for sponsoring this video. Really do appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Great people over there and great people watching this video too, so make sure to go check out Resjuvenator, links down in the description. It's such a fun day exploring this city, and if you guys ever get the chance to travel to Hong Kong, I would 100% recommend it. One quick thing before we go, today I'm wearing my Real shirt. This is some old merch that I did in the past. If you guys would like to see a re-release of this, let me know down in the comment section below. I haven't done a merch drop in a while, and I love this design. If you guys would like to see a limited, maybe I do 25 pieces or something like that, release of this, let me know and I can make that happen for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I am absolutely exhausted, so let me tell you before we head out. The beds in Hong Kong are freaking rock hard. They are so so stiff. They don't feel like a regular mattress. It feels like you're sleeping on plywood. And as a result, I have not had a good night's sleep for the last 10 days, which sucks. I'm gonna try and sleep now. I'm not going to, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.